friends, my name is Dokne Abhishek and today's topic is setter dependency. The setter dependency is the main functionality provided by Spring in IOC, means in version of control. The Spring Core multiple is responsible for injection dependency through either constructor or a setter model. The design principle of inversion of control emphasizes keeping the Java classes independent of each other and the content free them from object creation and maintenance. These class managed by Spring and to the standard definition of Java Bean. Dependency injection in Spring also ensure loose coupling between the classes. Some needs for dependency injections are the classes one need the object of class 2 the initiate or operate a method, then class 1 is said to be dependent on class 2. Now through it might appear okay to dependent on a module of the other, but is model real world in couldn't read through the lot of problem including system failure. Hence such as dependency need to avoid Spring IOC resolve such dependencies with dependent injections, which is make the code easier to text and reuse. Loose coupling between classes can be possible by defining interface for common functionality, and the injector will initiate the object of required implementation. The task is initializing object is done by the container according to the configuration specified by the developer. Type of Spring dependency injection. There are two types of Spring dependency uh, injection. They are setter dependency injection. This is a simple of the two DI method. In this, the DI will be injected with the help of setter and getter method. Now to set the DI as SDI is the bin, it is done through the bin configuration file. For this, the property to be set with the SDI is declared under the property tag in bin configs file. Constructor dependency injection. In this, the DI with the help of constructor now to set DI and CDI is bin. It is this through the bin configuration file for these properties under the bin in config file. This is all about dependency.